Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on a POCO C61. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And then click on the three dots icon, and now go to settings and click on search engine. Any recently visited, you should have no yep.com option, so you can select that and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now changed to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.